This video will show you how to replace your engine air filter on this Toyota Corolla. This will be located along the driver's side of your engine compartment. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Locate your air filter housing along the driver's side of your engine compartment just behind your battery. We're going to dislodge the upper air filter housing cover. You'll find that it has two locking clips, one along either side. Just press those out of place. With those dislodged, go ahead and take hold of that upper air filter housing and you can lift it up. That exposes the air filter. Take hold of the air filter and remove it from the vehicle. There it is, friend. Prior to installing your brand new air filter, take a peek inside the lower air filter housing. Confirm there's no miscellaneous debris. After that, it's time for installation of our brand new air filter. Now we need to look at each corner of the air filter. You're going to find that 3 of them are rounded and the other is pretty much a squared edge. We want to have that squared edge towards the driver's side front of the air filter housing. The air filter can only fit in one way. Lift up on that housing and slide it into place. With that rested in position, we'll continue on bringing this down into the proper positioning. You want to focus on the inboard side closest to the engine first. This is where the hinge point is. Slide the tabs in, rock it down, and lock it in. Okay friend, we finished the installation of our air filter. Double check to make sure everything's properly secured. Close the hood, take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.